Once upon a time, there was a cute penguin that was happy. In a land, it found a shiny crystal. It had an exciting thing in it. It was a cute, fluffy, amazing dog. They played together.
The cat was getting fat, and he had marshmallows, and he got even fatter. He put on his clothes backwards. His teeth got rotten and they fell out.
Minecraft is a peaceful game with beautiful skies and pouring rain. Creepers come out at night, zombies too, and skeletons. We love Minecraft. That end.
We had a kitty, and it grew so big it turned into a snow tiger and a ginger cat. Then it grew so big it turned